Hi everybody, this is Nathan here. Today I want to share a favorite quote from one of my favorite kickboxers of all time called Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee says something and he said, look, I am not afraid of the person who knows over 10,000 different kicks, but the person that I fear most is the person who practiced one kick over 10,000 times. Now what do I want to say here? I want to tell you that before you become a winner in any arena, you don't need 10 or 20 different things. Just pick one and practice over 10,000 different times. And I'm telling you, that is where you will gain mastery. And when you become a master like a pro, there is no one that can beat you. After all, you don't need many ideas to live like a king. You just need one idea. Practice over time and gaining mastery, and you become a pro all over your life. Get to this, and I can tell you that most people will fear you in your arena and you become a perfect winner. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.